Today, November 20, 10:20 a.m., about 10 minutes ago at 10:10 a.m., we detected unusual options activity on Target. So we wanted our subscribers to know, especially our members who get early access to this video. So what does this mean for Target? What is this wealthy investor doing? And how much is this trade actually worth? So let's dive deep into this. November 24. $130 strike calls. We can see that the open interest was 5,000. Okay, so this is greater than the unusual options activity, the volume of 2,000. Even though the volume is greater, based on our analysis of other variables, we believe this is a closing trade. Okay, so we think this is being closed and they're being rolled to December 29. Okay, and they are opening the 130 strike calls over here. You can see the volume greater than the open interest, and also selling to open the 140 strike calls. And what this does is they're buying the 130 strike calls, selling the 140 strike calls. And when you analyze the trade, you can see that this is a vertical call spread. By the way, if you haven't seen this trade that we discussed, it's expired now, November 7th. That was our earnings trade on Target, where we predicted Target would go up for earnings. So you can see it rallied after earnings. So if you haven't watched that video, we'll put a link at the top here, how we use this type of analysis to predict stock price movements. If you have info cards turned on, you can watch that. We'll also put a link at the end of this video. Now back to the trade today. You can see then if we calculate the cost, they bought it for $385, subtract by 78 for the 140 strike calls that they sold. Each trade was $307. Multiplied by 2,256 contracts, trade value of about $692,000. So not quite $1 million yet. And so that's why we did not want to spend too much time developing a trade strategy. And so we just followed the trade. When trades are more than $1 million, that's when we develop more sophisticated trade options strategies and share these trades exclusively to our members only, because those trades have higher probability of being right, because those traders have a lot more capital if they're spending millions of dollars on their trades. So based on this brief analysis here, we believe Target will be higher than 130. And we are already close to that. That is the zone here, this price zone here, the 130 here. And so comment below, what do you think will happen? And as usual, subscribe if you haven't, hit the bell icon to get notified, and make sure to watch that earnings video we just did last week where we predicted this rally. We'll put that link here. And so you can see how we can use data to trade, to take the emotion out of trading. And if you're interested in our exclusive videos for our members only, hit the join button on our channel homepage to learn more how you can gain access to get an edge in the market. Take care and have a wonderful day, everyone.